Here I'm going to show you how I'm using FoxFarm Grow Big on my pumpkin plants. So this is a concentrate, so I take the cap off first. I found that the cap actually is 2 teaspoons worth, so you can fill it up. So I'm going to put in 2 caps full, so here I have the liquid right there. I'm going to dump that in there, and I'm going to do that again. Now this is a concentrate, so it needs to be mixed with water. So I'm putting my hose in there, filling it up. You need to make sure you read the directions for how much you need to use for your plants. So here's my pumpkins. So I'm just, typical watering here. I'm going to feed them. So this is the standard soil formula with an NPK ratio of 6:4:4, which means it contains 6% nitrogen, 4% phosphate, and 4% potash. The higher nitrogen content is intended to encourage leafy green growth and help plants develop a stronger overall structure before they begin to flower or produce fruit. So Grow Big can be used with houseplants, vegetables, herbs, roses, tomatoes, shrubs, indoor, outdoor plants. It also contains smaller amounts of magnesium, boron, copper, zinc, and earthworm castings. You want to give it a good shake and make sure you dilute it with enough water, and you'll be good to go.